The subject of human rights laws at the national, international, or regional levels is the people. The laws recognize that every human has certain inherent rights. Humans are recognized as rights holders. Nation-states, by becoming part of human rights treaties, accept the commitment to uphold the standards prescribed in the treaty in their domestic system through enactment, implementation, and enforcement of laws, policies, and programs. Thus, under a human rights treaty, a state accepts that it has obligations or duties to create the conditions that would enable enjoyment of these rights. This relationship of rights and obligations between the state and the people within its jurisdiction and control is known as the vertical relationship of rights and obligations. Human rights create another set of relationships. Remember, we have discussed previously that the idea of human rights reinforces that all persons are equal in dignity and rights. Thus, all persons in society have the same rights, and each person has a duty to respect the rights of others. This aspect is known as the horizontal relationship of rights and duties, where each human being holds rights as well as bears duties towards others in society. However, even here, it is the state that bears the ultimate obligation to protect rights, meaning if a person fails to respect the duties owed to another person, the state has the obligation to step in and enforce such duty. We will examine this further in the next lesson. Apart from this, there is another dynamic of rights, obligations, and accountability. The United Nations has established human rights mechanisms which require member states to submit periodic reports regarding the status of enjoyment of human rights in their jurisdiction. The UN human rights mechanisms consider such reports and enter into a constructive dialogue with the concerned state regarding steps that can be taken by it to strengthen promotion and protection of rights. Similar dynamics exist within the regional human rights systems. However, we are not going to examine them in this course.